Hi, I'm Kim. If you've been having trouble getting your NEEWER CM28 external microphone or any other external mic to work with the USB-C on your Samsung phone, stick around and I will show how I solved the problem. The instruction manual provides one diagram showing connecting the receiver through an OTG USB-C adapter to the USB-C on the phone. And the instructions include a note about enabling OTG function on the phone settings. Following the instructions, I plugged the OTG adapter into the RX unit, then I plugged the OTG adapter into the USB-C on my Samsung phone. I tested mic connectivity by opening the voice recorder, which provides a visual indication of the signal during recording. Over the course of hours, the connection worked a few times, but nothing consistent. Furthermore, I did not have an OTG function in my phone settings. I spent hours watching videos, but none provided this solution. The microphone came with a TRS to TRS cable for use with standard cameras. I thought as a long shot, since it was not an option in the instruction manual, to order a TRS to TRRS adapter cable. To my surprise, this has worked reliably every time. As you can see here, tapping on the mic, the noise of the microphone is received by the voice recorder. So here's the product I bought, the Sovid 3.5 millimeter TRS to TRRS adapter cable, but others would work as well. Also, following the advice from other videos, I'm using the Android Open Camera app. It has an option to explicitly select an external mic if present, and it has a lot of other great features like a variable zoom. I hope this video solved your problem of connecting the NEEWER CM28 to a Samsung phone, and if so, please consider giving the video a like, and we'll catch you next time.